Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne and today's video is going to be on this glowy natural full glam makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please subscribe before you leave and let's begin. First, I'm going to start with a Buxom illuminizer, and this is in the shade Venus. I'm going to use this one as my primer today. It has a beautiful glow to it. It moisturizes as well. That's why I really like it for my dry skin, and it doesn't leave me with a ton of shimmers. So I'm just going to rub that in all over my face. And next, I'm going to take Niod Photography Fluid, and this is another glowy kind of base. It works really good with photography, so it reflects a lot of light. So if you want to use it when you're doing photos, I'm also going to mix it with my foundation today. I'm using Arbonne foundation today, and it's in the shade Natural Beige. This has a beautiful high medium coverage. It has a natural finish. So yeah, I really love this foundation. I'm using it's cosmetics brush, and I'm gonna just blend it all out with this brush all over my face. And next, I'm going to bronze my skin more just to match my body because I have a little bit of tan going on. I'm using Soleil Tan de Chanel, and this is a cream bronzer. And I'm just going to warm up my face, forehead, everywhere you bronze, chin area and size of my nose, and yeah. And next, I'm going to conceal. I'm using Nars Creamy Concealer, and this is in the shade number 2, Vanilla. I'm just going to highlight and conceal at the same time underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, forehead, and my chin area as well. And I'm going to use a damp beauty blender to blend it all out and to make my face a little bit more highlighted and contoured. And to set my face, I'm just going to set my under eyes first. I'm using Fit Me powder. This is by Maybelline, and this is in the shade Fair Light, number 10. I love this powder so much. I'm using it a lot lately, and it feels so high-end. It feels so good underneath the eyes. It makes them so like airbrushed looking. So I'm just gonna apply it underneath the eyes. I'm just trying to avoid my cheekbones so my highlight will stand out more because it's not going to be powdery. So when I put my highlight there, it's going to pop. So I'm going to use ambient lighting powder. This is a palette from Hourglass. It has 2 powders and a bronzer. I'm going to use the mixture of the 2 powders all over my face to set the foundation. And now I'm going to take the bronzer shade. It doesn't look dark at all in the pan, but it actually adds a lot of warmth to the face. But it just has a beautiful finish. So I'm just going to set the Chanel bronzer in place. And next, I'm going to take this beautiful palette. Oh my God, I cannot stop using this. This is by Sephora, and it's a new addition to their palettes. It's called Spice Market Blush Palette. To be honest, it's really pretty. Like the blushes, the bronzers, the highlight, it's just everything is on point. So I'm going to use the highlighter shade today, and I'm just going to place it all over my cheekbones, my nose, cupid bow, and everywhere you highlight. And next, I'm going to take that tangerine orange shade as my blush today, and I'm just going to pop it on the apples of my cheek. It's very pigmented, and I'm gonna apply it with this Kat Von D Shade and Light brush. Next, I'm going to use the same palette, and for my eyes, I'm going to take that first shade as my transition color. It has a sheen to it, but it's not too crazy. It's not shimmery, but it has a sheen. I'm just gonna apply it as my transition color. And I'm gonna take that brown shade now. I'm gonna apply it in the outer corner of my eyes and just slightly bring it to my inner corners. And now I'm going to carve my eyelids. I'm not doing like a crazy cut crease or anything like that. I just want a clean lid. So I'm doing that with a concealer. Same concealer I use for my under eyes. Next, I'm going to take the bronzy shade from the palette, and I'm just going to pop it on the lid. Now I'm going to take the highlight shade, and I'm just going to pop it on top, where the concealer is showing right now, where you do the cut crease. I'm just going to pop it in there, and for an ombre kind of style, you can say, but it's just, I don't know, I just felt like it. Next, I'm going to take some lashes, and I'm using these Dodo lashes. D319, I believe. I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Ashton. It's a little bit more on the dark side. It's very pretty. It goes really well with the look, but I just wanted something a little bit lighter and more of a gloss on top. So I'm using Maybelline Vivid Lacquer, and this is in the shade Tease. I'm just going to pop it with my finger on top of Ashton liquid lipstick just to kind of tone it down a bit and give it a little bit of a shine to it. So yeah, that's it. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys all enjoy it. Please subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.